Hi guys, my name is Gladys from Best Cars for Sale in Kenya. We are your #1 auto importers and we ship cars from Japan and other overseas markets like the UK. And now today I'm going to show you why you should be importing the Honda Vezel with us. We guarantee you a hassle-free importation process and we will take care of the entire process from the start to the end until you have your car and your car keys. Now let's jump into the review. Honda Vezel for sale in Kenya is a subcompact SUV. It carries 5 passengers. This car has been in production since 2013 up to present. In other markets, it is known as the Honda HR-V or the Honda XR-V. But in Japan, it's known as the Honda Vezel. This car comes with a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder inline engine mated to a CVT to produce about 129 brake horsepower. Inside this car, the space is magnificent. This is the most spacious car even among its peers. When you compare the interior of the Honda Vezel, you'll realize that the Honda Vezel offers more space, both for the legroom and for the headroom, especially on the driver's seat and the co-driver's seat. Behind it's a bit smaller. Another thing that you're going to realize about the Honda Vezel is that this car is very fuel efficient, especially on our roads, because when you cover around 20 kilometers, you lose only a liter of fuel. You do not get this from many SUVs. To add sugar to the cake, this car comes with an eco mode. Now the eco mode makes it more fuel efficient. You have also an option of using the sport mode, although when you're using the sport mode, it will not help you save more fuel. If you want to save more fuel, always opt for the eco mode. And if you want to even save more fuel and have the robust model, you can always go for the Honda Vezel hybrid. Of course, this one now comes with much higher economical sense in terms of fuel. But when you're trying to purchase the two, the petrol version and the hybrid version, of course the hybrid version is a bit more expensive than the petrol version. But in the long run, it will make sense to have the hybrid because you'll not be spending much on fuel. You are going to choose the model that you prefer. The Honda Vezel is available in both all-wheel drive and the front-wheel drive. When you choose the all-wheel drive, you have the liberty to decide if you want to only engage the front wheel alone, the rear wheel alone, or the 4-wheel drive simultaneously. And please note that when you're engaging the 4-wheel simultaneously, you are likely to be using more fuel than when you're engaging only the rear wheel alone. Also, if you want to save fuel, it goes without saying that you should be only engaging the front wheel alone. This is also recommended, especially when you're using slippery roads. I will really recommend you guys to import a Honda Vezel with us. One thing that I like the Honda Vezel is the fact that this car is a very budget-friendly SUV. First of all, the initial cost of buying this car is very pocket-friendly because this is a compact SUV that is actually under 3 million. You don't get this much from SUVs. And also, the fact that the fuel economy for this car will help you save some coins. The standard version comes with direct inject petrol. This means that for 20 kilometers you only use 1 liter of fuel. This is very impressive considering models like Probox for a liter takes you to 15 to 18 kilometers. The hybrid version is actually the perfect choice because it comes with a 1.5 petrol electric powered engine with a 7-speed DCT. This one gives you 22 kilometers. You only use 1 liter of fuel. This one is incredible. Well, I urge you guys to import with us. Maybe the only down part of importing is that the process takes a while because the entire process takes around 45 days for your car to land in Nairobi. So you will have to wait for the car. Otherwise, you will get a perfect car, a car that you desire. You'll actually tell us even the color that you desire, and we will get you a car that you want up to your last specification. You can even choose the grade that you want. For us, when we're importing, we try import cars that are grade 4 and above. So we're talking about grade 4, grade 4.5, and grade 5 cars. When it comes to the mileage, our mileage are genuine mileage, and you as the client, you have the liberty to choose the mileage that you prefer. You can just give us a range that, for example, you can tell us you're looking for a car that is within 30k to 60k mileage, for instance. Also, you can tell us what exactly that you might want to have in your dream car. Let's say if you're looking for alloy rims, if you're looking for even a color contrast in your car, just tell us, and that is what we will ensure we deliver it for you. So that's it for the video. If you'd like to contact us, I'll leave our contacts below. And also, I urge you guys to visit our office so that we can have one-on-one conversation, and I can get to explain to you the importation process, or one of our colleagues can get to explain to you how we conduct our business. That's it for today. It's a wrap.